Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to talk about sanitizing using a little buddy cart in the Dosatron D14MZ2. Now as always, remember when handling any products, wear the proper PPE such as gloves or goggles. Now in this video, we can see the sailing center is using the little buddy cart to apply quaternary ammonia at a rate of 1 to 50. This will effectively kill viruses and bacteria. They're doing it to their handrails and ramps to make sure that they stay clean during this time. Now for the setup, you can see a garden hose attached to the inlet of the cart. The water will run up through a pre-filter and then through the Dosatron injector and out through a garden hose sprayer. This will give a nice light spray of quaternary ammonia. For any questions about the little buddy cart or using a Dosatron with sanitizing, feel free to give us a call or shoot us a message online, and thanks for watching.